I'm Pete Nowaski with Nowaski Extreme Performance, and this is 2 Minute Tuesday. Start the timer now. Today I'm going to talk about our line of Nowaski Performance risers. Now, all of the risers that you see in front of you are made out of 7075 aircraft aluminum. And why that's important to talk about is the 7075 aluminum is stronger, it has a higher tensile strength, so you're less apt to have galling in your clamping area of your handlebars. When you do clamp them down, they're less likely to rotate because that aluminum is stronger. Also, bolting them in, you're less likely to have threads pull out or any strength issues at all with them. So all of our Nowaski risers are made out of 7075 aluminum. These are the King risers for your bagger. It has an 1.1 inch clamping area. So you can run either the ODI bars or the Trask bars that are available on our website that go from 1.1 inch to 1 inch, so you can use your stock controls. Or you can go to dirt bike style, which is 1.1 inch to 7/8 that you can customize. We have some available in black. Our black coating didn't turn out like we wanted it to, so we're gonna sell these at a discounted rate. You can send us an email at info@nowaski.com and we can get you a price on black, but they are not 100% perfect. They're considered blems, but they're still pretty darn nice. Now, we have all of our 7075 risers available for Springer Softails as well. FX, they're all clearly labeled, FL, and for Crossbones. Now all of these risers are 1 inch clamping area for stock style bars for Springer Softails. We're the only guys making these heavy duty ones for that, and that's because we have a lot of turbo Springers on the market. We developed these with 4 bolts to maximize the clamping area. Because they're hollow in the middle. So I'm running a little over on my 2-minute time today, but we have the strongest risers on the market made out of 7075 aluminum, the Nowaski way. That's 2 Minute Tuesday.